Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in NX. Okay, let's start. First we need to use extrude. Select XY plane. Then we create a rectangle. Make dimension 100. Finish. Distance 12 mm. Okay, next we need edge blend 6 mm. Select 4 edge. Okay. Next we need extrude. Select XY plane. Create a circle. Dimension, diameter 30. Finish. Distance 45. Boolean unit. Okay. Next we need to use slash extrude X. Oh no. XZ plane. We need to use indication code. Then we select this face. Get the indication code. Within work part only. Dimension 20. Finish. Oh, sorry. We need to select this line and convert reference. Finish. We need to select Open Profile Smart One. 8 mm and symmetrical value unit. Okay. Select the 5 extrude and the middle feature. Select YZ plane. Okay. Next we need to create the center. Select the top plane. Then create a circle. The diameter 50. Finish. Distance, reverse direction, and slew all. Boolean subject. Okay. Next we need to create the pocket. So extrude. Select XZ plane. Then create a rectangle. $8 mm. And we need get the point at the reference point 5 mm. Create a circle. Diameter 8 and this center point to edge 10 mm. Finish. Slew all and subject No. Slow. Fast. Okay. Next we need to use hole. Create 8mm. Like 4 point on the plate. Okay. Nice. Change appearance. Okay, we quickly finish in the simple model. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.